What day is it? It's Tuesday. I am hungry. Apple yesterday. Wow, there's an orange. Yummy. What day is it? It's Wednesday. I am hungry. I had an orange yesterday. Wow, tomato. Yummy. What day is it? It's Tuesday. I. It's Friday. Sorry. Friday. Wow. I can fly. Wow, beautiful. Hello, sir. Look. Haha, your friends? Yes, they are mine. How old are you? I am 7 years old. 7 years old. Wow, a talking bird. How cute. How. No, you're not cute. You're not cute. How old are you? I am, how old are you? I am 4. He's cute. Oh no. Hi, Hook. How old are you? Look, a bear. A baby bear. Thank you. You're welcome. I am Hansel. I am Gretel. Wow. Look, many cakes. How many cakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cakes. Oh no, they're my cakes. How many cakes? 1, 2, 3.